Canada Day, July 1st, and this is our annual July 1st Canada Day car show. This year they moved the venue, and it's in the park now and on the grass, so it's a lot nicer setting, surrounded by trees, so some shade there in these warm sunny days. And there's a 68 Cougar. No, sorry, that's a 67 because it doesn't have the side marker lights on it. And it's for sale. Beautifully restored car. Got the hood scoop on it. And this is a Sierra Classic. I think it's about a 78. Very nice truck. Got a 66 Malibu. The concave rear window in it. .502. Oh, not too bad. How are you doing? Yeah, it is there. I'm going to end this video for now, so I'll catch up later there. Bye for now.